Hi, my name is Cherise Gutierrez. I am co-founder and CTO of SecurityGate. I'm excited to be presenting this year at the CTO Summit in Austin at the Capital Factory on April 10th. You can get your tickets at www.ticketbase.com and enter in the CTO Summit for Austin. Also, you can get 25% off if you use promo code SecurityGate. One of the great things that I love about this conference is it's bringing together industry leaders such as Amazon, Reddit, Slack, IBM, yours truly at SecurityGate, and other local startups such as ThreatCare, where you can take away key insights on how they're using innovation to really develop this community. Another great thing about this conference is all the networking that you'll be able to do during, before, and in between speaker sessions. I'm excited to be speaking this year. Come listen on how we implemented the lean startup process within our life cycle of development, product market fit, business operations, and sales.